Hey guys, okay, so today I did a like cool toned smoky eye look. I know my lighting is horrible, so you can't probably even see like what is on my eyeballs. I don't really know what's happening. The light is following me around. Okay, anyway, I got a request from my sister to do a like cool tone grungy disco eye look. So that's what I did today. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you want to see more like this, and if you want to see how to get this, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start by popping Razzle into my crease. It's a cool tone brown, and I'm just gonna use a really fluffy blending brush. And as I'm tucking it into my crease, I'm pulling it forward to about the edge of my eyebrow. And once I get out to the tail end of my eyebrow, I am pulling it straight so I'm not following the full curve. Okay, so next I'm going to take the shade Blasé. It's that like deep gray. And I'm gonna use a flat lay down brush and just press this all over my lid. Some of you out there may be thinking, what are you doing? But just wait and you will see. Ooh, that's so dark. Oh no. Okay, so next I'm going to take the shade Clubhouse. It's like a deep, it's like a mid-tone purpley brown nudie, but it's like cool tone because this is a cool tone palette. And I'm just gonna use a little blending brush and buff that gray into the crease. What is happening here? What is happening? It's not that the look itself looks bad, it's that the shadow is like patching. Like they're just not blending together very well. So that's not good. I'm just gonna try and do the other eye. Like blend these two together. I know it's gonna do the same thing as the other eye though. Okay, so basically what I'm noticing is that anywhere I'm trying to blend it, it's just like patching off. So what I'm gonna do is put on a shimmer shade over the top to try and salvage it. If I can find the brush that I was using. Hi, hello, where are you? How did you get lost in there so fast? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the shade Piece of Me. Can you so bright. I'm gonna take this deep purple color on that flat shader brush, and, or do I wanna take Posh? Let's see. No, I want the purple. I think this one's too red. And because I'm scared, okay, I have a little bit of fall. I'm just gonna wipe that off. Ah! Because I'm scared about, sorry my lighting literally is the worst, but because I'm scared about if I blend it with a brush, the shadow's moving, I just literally am like gonna tap over the edges and hope that the warmth of my finger kind of like blends the colors together. I'm gonna put this purple shimmer shade, Piece of Me, on my lower lash line. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I have a feeling I'm gonna regret this. We'll see how it goes. Oh, and I'm just using that kind of square top blending brush for this. I don't want it to be like a precise line on my lower lash line. I want it to be kind of buffed out. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do to turn this into like a disco look instead of just like grungy, I'm gonna put the shade Showboat, which is kind of like a, let's see if I can get it to focus, a crystal topper shade. Like it doesn't really have a ton of pigment to it, I hope. No, not really. And I'm just gonna put that over my whole lid. So my whole lid is dancing. Boop, ba-doo, boop, ba-doo, boop, boop. My battery's gonna die. That's great, because I just started filming. Okay, so my camera's about to die. So like I kind of shut it off, did the rest of my makeup, and then I'm like back. So I'm just gonna show you what I use for my blush. I just used my ColourPop blush in Weirdo, which is kind of like a warm rosy nude. And then for my lips, I used ColourPop Blotted Lip in Zuma, and this one is like a warm nude. So I figured doing like a warm cheek and a warm lip would kind of like offset the harshness of like a cool gray eye. But yeah, that's it. That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm sorry that the lighting is so horrible. I don't really know what to do about it. So hopefully I'm gonna figure out a solution for that soon. But thanks guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, leave it a like. If you have other ideas, leave them in the comments down below, and if you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. I'd love to have you. And yeah, see you guys in a video super soon. Okay, bye.